Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
How to make my extremely crispy Kadhai Parantha biscuit breakfast, snack or dessert. The choice is solely yours. Now you can take multigrain flour or wheat flour or any flour of your choice. And yes, that is what we do. Now jaggery, brown sugar or any natural sweetener of your choice, add to the flour. This is as per as your taste. Aniseed, again as per as your taste, but don't add more than this. Cinnamon, again do not exceed the quantity. Himalayan or pink salt or sea salt or any natural salt, and add pre-melted desi ghee. In Punjab, if you remember, paranthas are always made with desi ghee. Reasons I'll tell you a little later. Now mix. Add spring or underground or water from any natural source. How much we'll use? I'll show you again. Add the water. Mix. Mix. And one tip, always use warm, never cold and never hot water to knead the dough. There, that is what the result is. Now set the dough aside in a warm place for about 30 minutes. Now this is the total water that we have used, just 50 minutes. Now, kadhai, yes, wok or a skillet. You can use either. You can use tawa or hot plate also. Set aside the dough in a warm place for gluten formation. Now divide the dough into 3 to 4 balls of equal size, depending upon the size of the parantha that you wish to make. Now into the kadhai it goes. There. Now drizzle with desi ghee. Why desi ghee? Because desi ghee lines the gut and helps to digest the parantha or food. So drizzle with desi ghee and swirl the parantha round and round. Move it round. As you move it round, the fragrance starts to fill the air. Continue swirling the parantha. When looking firm, flip the parantha. There you are. Isn't it looking beautiful and crispy? Now drizzle more desi ghee and swirl the parantha round and round. When the lower side of the parantha becomes firm, it's time to flip again. And remember, desi ghee aids in the ease of food movement in the gut. That is why paranthas being heavy are made in desi ghee. Now flip the parantha and swirl it round and round. Flip. There you are. It's looking beautiful. It's looking crispy, but wait. Let it get a little more crispier. Now swirl it around and around and continue flipping, because the crispiness must be same on both the sides. There you are. It's really looking beautiful. Add a little more desi ghee, and as the tip, desi ghee lines and makes the gut healthy. It allows food movement. Now flip the sides, cook till both sides of the parantha are thoroughly cooked and crispy. In fact, extremely crispy. There you are. It's really looking like a biscuit or biscuit. It's really crispy. The look of it shows that it is very crispy. It's done. Now switch off the heat and time to plate. So let's plate the paratha. But wait, this is what it looks like. Really good, isn't it? Really crisp. Now let's plate the paratha and serve the paratha with curd at breakfast, or rabdi, firni, kheer, honey or vanilla ice cream at dinner as a dessert, that is. And as I always say, remember to serve and enjoy not only your known but your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.